Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. First and foremost, it's 2 days before Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I hope you guys have a great day on Thursday. All right, well, it's like I said, 2 days before Thanksgiving, and once again, the shop is empty. It's still a mess, but it's empty. And I just finished loading up all the tools for the two Florida projects. So a couple buddies of mine came over Sunday and helped me get the 2 bars in there and all the big heavy stuff. I just finished putting the tools in now, just so I can take it easy Wednesday and Friday, because it's going to be a long drive. We're heading to St. Augustine and then Hudson and then Fort Myers after that. So anybody want to come along? This is going to be a long drive. So it took this back bar here. It took 4 of us to put the other bar in, which is up in the front. That's the 4x8. This is a 6x8. It took 5 of us with the lift gate to get this thing in there. And it's just me and Melissa going to have to do all this install by ourselves. So anybody want to come help drive? Anybody want to meet us out there? You're more than welcome. Now, I think it was not this past August before, me and Melissa went and did an install by ourselves out in Ohio. But that was I think that was a 4x10 tiki bar, and the homeowners helped us out there. I'm not sure what we're walking into on either one of these projects, to be honest with you. But should be leaving Saturday morning. Going to go till probably dark, a little before dark, because I'd rather not drive in the dark. We'll get a couple hotel rooms, and then Melissa and I will head to St. Augustine, and if there's light left when we get down there, we're going to start the install. I believe PJ is going to send 2 guys up to do the thatching for me. It doesn't make sense to take any of these palms or anything. All the roofs are built though, so he's just going to send 2 guys up, get the thatching done, and then St. Augustine first, and then we'll all head over to Hudson and then do that one, which is a little bit smaller of an install. That roof is all together in the truck, but the first one I got to put back together, and you know, not a whole lot going on with the install, not as detailed as some of the bigger bars. So hopefully if PJ's guys get there early enough, we could be in and out, I want to say 2 to 3 hours, and head to the West Coast. So the last 2 installs for the season, I'm done. I'm going to go down to Fort Myers and visit Bill and Chrissy after we're done in Hudson, which I believe is about a 3.5-hour drive south from there. And we're going to stay down there, take a couple days off. Patty's going to fly down and meet me down there, and just enjoy a couple days, not worry about work. Oh, look, there's Scott driving in the neighborhood. Let me see, where does car go? I just saw him pull in over there. Anyway, yeah, so we're going to spend a couple days there, and then when we get back, I'm going to take a couple days off. But I'm right back at it. I got bars, a couple in Massachusetts. I got 2 tiki huts I still got to get to. I got a Texas tiki bar to do. I got a Hawaii tiki bar to do, and a couple others. The New Jersey tiki bar I got to do. Yeah, there's a whew. But I'm taking a couple days off, and I'll tell you what, the last couple days here, it's been cold. Today and I guess the next 4 or 5 days are all going to be in the 50s, and it's just getting warmer as it goes. So I'm enjoying today. So, all right, well, again, I hope all you guys have a happy Thanksgiving. I probably won't post the video until we're traveling or we're down there. So that'll be after the holidays. So I hope all you guys enjoy your Thanksgiving. And oh, I got a phone call coming in New Hampshire. Not sure I want to do any more tiki bars up there either. I think there's going to be some boundaries for next year. I'm not working 7 days a week for 8 months in a row. I'm going to be taking time off here and there, and I'm going to limit myself. Oh my gosh, I forgot there's a bar out by Pittsburgh I got to do yet, and Illinois too. So that's all coming up next year. So over the winter I'll be building all of those. The Texas bar is getting shipped, So that's nice, and so's the Hawaii bar. Although I would have loved for the military to fly me out there. So yes, another one I'm doing for the military. This one's at Bellows Air Force Base in Hawaii. So that's about 1, 2. That's the 3rd military base I'll be building a tiki bar for, and the 4th overall for military bases, because I did 2 at Bowling in Washington D.C. So yeah, so I got a long schedule for next year already. So I'll be busy all winter. I'll be busy all spring. Still looking for help. Anybody that wants to learn how to build and thatch roofs, give me a holler. All right, well, all the leaves are just about gone. It's definitely winter's coming up. All right, from the Tiki Kev shop, hope we have a good trip, and we'll see you on the other side, guys. From the Tiki Kev shop, Tiki Kev out.